lucky I'm chilling right now. I'm telling you, once I start doing the Mexico content, I'm telling you. Well, if I do the Mexico content, it's gonna be straight L's. I mean, y'all know what car I drive. Oh, he's getting on. Yeah. When I start farming Mexico content, we're gonna see. Sometimes I forget I'm in a sports car and I can just do that. I don't know. I daily drive this car, so most of the time I'm driving it pretty chill, just trying to save gas and whatnot. But when I actually do take this thing out for spirited driving, I kind of forget the whole spirited part. Glad to see my tax dollars being put to use. A clean 350Z. I think it's a hardtop too. Is that a Genesis? Oh shoot, that is a clean Z. That is a very clean Z. What the heck? It's got the I think that's the 2003 one with the factory orange. Just had some wheels, no stance, and exhaust. Might have to make you an offer, sir. Looks like we got another Mustang. Bro, my headlight game is trash, bro. I thought that was a Mustang. First, I thought that Kia was a Supra. Now I think this is a Mustang, bro. Is that another Kia? I don't know. Whatever. Usually I can tell off the rip what car is behind me, but shoot, not tonight. Also, let's see. Okay, that's not that bad. I was keeping my windows down because my tint is too dark, I can't see. I got 15 on the sides, which honestly, that's ceramic. 15% ceramic, that's as dark as you need to go. I don't care what nobody says, like, bro, if you need your tint darker than that, who are you hiding from? That's all I gotta say, because that's just too dark. It would be unusable at night. See if I can get a pop under this thing. Oh, that's my favorite part. Dude, this hat is slipping. I gotta get a tighter head clip. I'm steering with my knees here. Is this my lane? Nah. Yeah, this is my turn. Where you going? Now, if you're wondering where I'm going, I'm actually going to the mall after hours because I want to get some photos in an empty parking lot, because I want to test out these low light settings on my iPhone 16, see if I can get some photos. I need to practice on my photos because I suck. Photo game is trash. But hopefully security doesn't bother me. I don't know. They might tell me to leave. Especially when I'm the only car there, it's gonna look weird. Alrighty guys, we've reached the photo spot. Let's just see. Honestly, the lighting isn't as bad as I thought. These are just regular settings on my iPhone. I'm not sure what kind of angles I want here. I'm kind of experimenting with the slants. Dang, bro, how'd my headlight get so dirty? I gotta start carrying rags with me. Oh, I like that. This color pops so much at night. Like, I think World Rally Blue is the best Subaru color because it looks good at night and it looks good in the daytime. Like at night, but at night especially, it just hits, man. It just hits. I don't know. Oh shit, am I on the... Try night mode. Night mode. Oh, that looks a little bit better. It looks really good on the GoPro. I'm looking at the camera through the GoPro. Oh no, that's gonna be blurry. I did not hold it still. Let's get some rear photos. This is my favorite angle of the car right here. This right here. Oh my goodness, whoever designed that at Toyota, Subaru, you need a raise. I can get like maybe like a tail light shot. A logo shot maybe. We can give it some dimension. Oh no, you could see me. Gosh dang it. Always bring a tripod for that specific reason. Let's see if I can get that shot. I'm sure there's an editing software that can take my reflection out, but I don't want it to ruin the photo. I regret not bringing my tripod. This is a mistake. Okay, the autofocusing is being weird right now. That's good. How do you make a front shot not boring? That's the thing. Like most front shots I see are just kind of bland. Like I wouldn't do something like this because you can see my reflection. It's not perfectly straight, it's gonna bother me. Oh, that shot came up pretty clean. So this is what we got so far. My cinematic game is trash. That needs to be its own video. Also, the car is not clean enough for that. Alrighty, but I think that just about wraps it up for this video. Next video I'm gonna do is gonna be my 1-year ownership review. Stay tuned for that video. I've had that one in the works for a while. I've just been like thinking of what to say, but you know, I'm ready. I'm just gonna go off the dome. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this POV and stay tuned for the next one. I will see y'all. Peace.